Hello my creative people, I welcome you again in this mind-blowing tutorial video where I'm going to show you how you can design a church flyer. I've treated this church flyer, I've done a design of this church flyer before, but it didn't involve image. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can place images for your design for church flyers. Alright, so if this is your first time watching my video or seeing my video, I welcome you in my amazing channel where I draw video every day about graphic design. And in this channel you will learn a lot about graphic design. All you have to do is just subscribe and make sure you like this video. So let's see how we can design this. If you notice, the height of this design is bigger than the height of our working area of our image size. Alright, so the first thing we are going to do, or the first thing we ought to do, is to increase the height of our image size or our working area. So if you want to do that, it's very simple. Click on this three dotted line here, then you're going to click on image size, so I will increase it, and I would like us to increase to something like 1004 to 1200. Then after doing this, you click OK. Let's check if we got, I think we got it correctly. Alright, now the next thing we're going to do, let's get it like this. The next thing we're going to do is let us use grid. I want us to use grid for this so that our text and our design will be aligned. Alright, so you click on this, but before then let's resize this. I would like our image to take some particular part. Alright, so let's come to this place so that I'll show you what I mean or what I want to achieve. Then we are going to click on any of these to edit it. So for this one, I'm going to erase it. I'm going to remove it by clicking on this. Alright, for this center one, click on this, and then for this one I'm going to position it like this, and this one I'm going to position it like this. Alright, then for this center one I'll delete it also. And after doing that, you click back to this so that it will go back to like this. Alright, now let us start our work. Sorry, the thing got removed. Click on this, it will be back. Alright, now the next thing we're going to do, the first thing is the logo. Actually, this is an Airtel logo that I used. It's just to represent a logo in case if the church you are designing this flyer for gets a logo. Alright, so let's import the logo, but before then, the first thing I want us to do again is to get our background. Alright, so you click here, and this background you can get it on your Pinterest app. Alright, you can get the background on your Pinterest app. So you click on from gallery so that we get our image which is in our gallery. Alright, and let me search for the background. Alright, and here it is. Okay, then you can see now this is the background. And the next thing, if you notice, our background is lighter than the design we have here. So for us to do that, let's come to effect so that we know if we can achieve something like that. The first thing I want us to look at is the brightness. Let's reduce the brightness because our background is brighter than this one in our flyer. So let's reduce the background. Okay, I think it's okay like this at level -40. Alright, I think it's okay. Now the next thing we're going to do now is that logo. So let's go to import. So we have to click on this plus sign here, then click from gallery. Let's get the logo from gallery. Alright, and make sure you have removed the background. In case the logo has a background, make sure you have removed the background. Alright, so I want to change this to a black color. So you go to shapes, which is here, you click on this, then you're going to click on color on the button, then we are going to apply a black color for it. So then let's resize to get something like this. It's okay. Then we are going to make use of position. Let's drag it up, then let's use relative position so that it will be okay. Let's keep it at the center like this. Just click on this one. Alright, so it will be horizontally be Okay, then the next one is just the name of the church. That's the next step if you are doing this. So I'm going to make a sample. I think what I used there is David Tech Church of Christ. I think Church of Christ. Then we're going to make all this in capital letter. Just click on this T here, and I think that is it. Then the next thing is to resize, and then we're going to give it a font. All right, let's apply another font style to this. So you click on font. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to make use of this font. All right, you're going to make use of it. After that, you click OK. Alright, so I think this is okay. Then the next thing is to use position. So I will move it up small. It's okay. Then let's use relative position also, so it will be at the center. And I know the one you have to click. Alright, so here's the one you have to click, this one. Alright, then the next thing, let's just copy this shape. Click on copy, sorry, this text, not shape. Just copy it and then go to edit. Let me check what is here. Okay, Enugu State branch, because I'm from Enugu State. Alright, Enugu State branch. Make it to be in capital letter O. Alright, then reduce and keep it like this. Then let's use relative position. Alright, I think we are done with this. Then the next thing is present. Then you come to text again. Let's add a text which is going to be present. Click OK, leave it like this. Hope you are getting what I'm doing. The next thing is this opacity. Reduce the opacity. Alright, reduce it to something like this. Then the next thing is this spacing. I hope you can see it, spacing. So this spacing, increase it to the maximum. Then you have to resize so it will be small. Okay, present. Then you keep it like this, and then use your relative position also. All right. Then the next thing is now the topic, present spirit of the living God. So let's go to test again. But before that, I would like us, let's delete this and let us copy this David Tech Church of Christ, because we are still going to make the same. We are going to make use of the same font. All right. So let's copy it. Then let's edit it to what we want. What's the topic again? Spirit of the living God. All right. Spirit of the living God. Spirit of the living God. Then ought to be capital letter again. Then we're going to increase the size. Then we are going to make use of this one here. All right, it's okay like this. Then stretch it like this. Then the next thing we are going to make use of is align. This align here, click on it. Don't on the button, just click on this center one. All right, click on it, is okay. Then the next thing is this line spacing, this line spacing. All right, click on line spacing, then reduce it because the space is too much. It's okay like this. Then keep this like this, increase it small again. I think it's okay like this. Then the next thing is to apply a texture. All right, so I used texture on this, and we are going to make use of a golden texture. If you watched my video on M logo, I guess the same texture I used there, that's the same texture I'm going to use for this one. So you can get your texture using your Pinterest app. Just search for golden texture. So here's the one I'm going to make use of. All right, so I've applied it. Then the next thing we're going to do is come to this emboss here. All right, click on it. Then on the button, it will be scattered. All right, then just go to your size. Let's be increasing this size small, so I will know if we can get the perfect one. Or let's reduce. Either you increase or you reduce. Okay, I think we have got it correctly. but this shape is too small, but it's okay. All right, then the next thing, just go back to that emboss. I want us to edit some certain things. This bevel at the back, reduce it. Yes, reduce it. And think, and this ambient light, you can reduce it small. Then this intensity, increase it small. Then we are going to apply a shadow to this. Just click on shadow. I hope you can see shadow here. Click on shadow. Let's apply a shadow to it. Then we can reduce the opacity of the shadow to something like this. Alright, now the next thing we're going to do is this thing that is here. I want us to get it. So you go to text. You're going to make use of comma to get this. So just write only comma. Sorry. Then when you write something like this, you can just copy this one so that it will be easy for you. Just copy this, and then you can paste it to which level you want. Alright, so let us reduce it. Okay, I think we should reduce it. I think it's too much again. Let's reduce again. And then we are going to make use of position. Let's keep it like this. Then use relative position also. It's okay. I want us to lock some of our elements. So click here so they won't be moving. Let's lock some of them. Alright, then we're now going to enter another major work here, which is going to be this image. But before then, let's get this black small things here. Is the same thing as this white one that we just get now. So all we have to do is come to this place so that we copy the one that we did. So we are going to copy this by clicking here. Then we are going to click on this copy icon here. Then we have copied it. Then this one we copied, we are going to give it a black color. Then keep it like this. Let's move it to this point. Oh god, let me use size so that I will increase the size from this. I think this is okay. Alright, so let's reduce this. Let's edit it and reduce small. I think this one is okay. So let's move it down like this. So then the size, let's reduce the size again. It's okay now. Then just copy this one you just did. Just copy it, then use position and drag it down here at this point. It's okay at this place. Now the next thing we're going to do is now the image. So I want us to import the image, and I would like us to import the whole image at once. So what you have to do is just click on this, tap on this 3 times instantly. Tap on it 3 times, 1 2 3. Right, then it's going to open where you will now select the image you want from your gallery. Alright, so I want you select the first one, then go back, select the second one, then you have to select the third one. Alright, so let me check where the third one is. Okay, here's the third one. Okay, this one I made mistake, I selected the wrong one. Alright, so this I'll remove the background. So let me import the one that I've removed the background. So I'll just click on reselect. Click on reselect. So I'll select the main one that I want. Alright, so I've gotten it. So let me just crop this like this. Okay, and that's going to be the first one. So let's keep this ones like this. Let's keep it like this. Then I want us to crop this like this again, so that the image will be bold enough. It's okay like this. Just keep it this way. Then let's lock it. Now we are going to keep this one, reduce it. This is just Sabino's. Alright, this is just a sample. So if you are designing this for somebody, make sure you get their images. So this one should be at the back of this guy. Alright, I hope you got what I did now. Let me move this guy down again. So like this, something like this. Okay, it's okay. Then let me lock it. Then for this Sabino's, I'm going to reduce the size and keep it like this. And this guy here also, I'll reduce the size, and then I'm going to drag it down so that it will be at the back of this first guy. Then you keep it like this. Alright, I think this is okay now. Now the next thing we're going to do is to blend. Alright, so we're going to use this draw tool for this. Then you scroll down, this blur radius, increase it, this smoothness, increase it, then this pencil size, increase it also, so it will be easy and faster for us. Then you draw like this. Alright, hope you are following the procedure. This is very simple. Alright, just follow the procedure, you get everything. Then after drawing, you are going to stretch this down. Let's lock all these shapes that they will not move. Alright, so you have to stretch this and then stretch this one so that we get a smooth blending. And I think this is okay and cool. Alright, then the next thing is to lock it. Then the next thing we're going to do now is to just go to shape again. Then this time we're going to reduce it to something like this. Then this opacity to be reduced to 0%. The radius, increase it small. Then this stroke width, increase the stroke to something like 3. Then we're going to apply a white stroke to it. Sorry, here's the color for stroke. We're going to apply white stroke to it. I think this is okay. Then the next thing is to reduce the opacity. Let's reduce the opacity from here. Alright, so I will achieve something similar to our design here. Alright, then the next thing is just to put on the write-ups there. The first thing we're going to do is the name of these people that is here, the images. So the first person is Pastor Sabino's. So PST is the short form for pastor. So Pastor Sabino's. I don't know if I got the correct spelling, but this is just a sample. Alright, so I want to be fast this time around, so you have to keep it like this, then reduce it small again. So you can keep it like this, Pastor Sabinus. Then just copy this, and then the second person is Emma. Alright, Emma. Then let's use position also. Alright, let's keep it like this. Sorry. Then the next thing is to copy again. The next person is now Pastor Innocent. So let's indeed to Pastor Innocent. Then let's use position again. So let's use Pastor Innocent like this. Alright, so I think this is okay right now. So the next thing now is just this date, time, and the venue for everything. Alright, so let's get it. The first thing you're going to do, just go to your test. Then this one is now the day for it, which is going to be Sunday 30th of November. Alright, so let's keep it like this. Let's keep it like this. Then keep it this way. Then copy it so it be easy for your time. 9 p.m. time. So feel free to put anything you want at this level. All right, then let's use positions so it will be easy for us. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful and you like the tutorial video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section. All right, and make sure you follow along and try to replicate this so that you will get it correctly. So let us copy again. Then this one is now going to be the venue. All right, and the venue is the venue is in my channel. All right, and Digital Graphics YouTube channel. All right, so let's position this like this and then keep it this way. Then this last one, let us give it a style so that it will be visible. Let's give it a bold style, so you have to click on this B. Okay, I think we're almost done with our design, so keep it like this so that it will be at the same level with other ones. All right, so this is just a simple way to design a church flyer, and I think we got everything correctly. So when you are done, you can now go and remove this grid by clicking on this. Then it will now be removed, and you can see it's exactly the same thing we have. All right, so thanks for staying to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video.